So starting the test drive in this 540i here, from the front seat, lots of space up here. And as I'm kind of sitting here, I realize where I can adjust the seat a bit more than I'm probably used to. I could give myself more space behind this seat. But I mean, just a fun car so far. Just pulling out of the parking lot, you can tell it's quick, you can tell it has power, and I just love the updates they've done to the interior in terms of the screen, the ambient lighting, and all of that. Now, even in this efficient drive mode, still plenty of pull here. But I am gonna put it into the sport mode, and I'm gonna try the paddle shifters out. Here we go. Yeah, that thing is fast, man. Yeah, that's incredible. And I mean, what you expect from a BMW in terms of the acceleration, the sound is great. Just the power of these things is incredible, insane. But I want to give one more huge thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this car today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. Now, as I let out of the sport mode and into this efficient mode, the bolsters kind of loosen up. It's a more relaxing drive feel, but that sport is just, the whole experience that you get with the BMW really is top notch when it comes to the power you get. Even though this is a turbo inline six, it throws down, it really does. Ride quality is good, road noise is unnoticeable. The sound acoustics in this cabin are incredible. Absolutely incredible. This wind is blowing like crazy and still can barely hear it in here with no music on. Now, BMW's mild hybrid system has really grown on me over the years as they've kind of worked to perfect it, especially in this stop and go traffic. As you kind of let off the brake, you're just slowly gliding off of that power for a second, and then you don't necessarily feel like a startup, if you will. The engine just kind of cuts on. Again, it's seamless, feels good. Doesn't feel like the car's about to break every time the auto stop does its thing. But for the money, I mean, this car pre-owned is $66,500. A lot of money, period. But the driving experience, the luxury you get here, and just the overall styling inside and out is just, you know, I'm not disappointed in that price. Let me put it that way. It's fun, it's fast, luxurious, feels futuristic in so many ways compared to pretty much any other car I've driven. And that's even including, you know, comparing this to a Mercedes. It's just that nice. The screens in this 540i are not too much, even though it's digital. You have these different views that really make this not so obvious. In some of the other vehicles from other manufacturers, it just looks like too much all the time. It looks like a Tesla all the time, and a lot of people don't like that. So here, you have that flexibility, that usability, but also if you don't want that, there are ways to kind of mitigate this feeling like a futuristic car in terms of the ease of use, what have you. But I mean, it really does give you a solid everyday driving car if you have a little bit of money. Relatively spacious for it to be a 4-door sedan, a luxury 4-door sedan. Again, the fun factor, 10 out of 10. You can get up to an M5 and get crazy, but this 540i with the inline 6, again, is great. A turbo 4 is great in these cars too. It's an impressive machine. And for the price point, for what you get, this only having less than 3,500 miles, I'm not disappointed in that price at all. Again, a fun car, luxurious car with an M Sport and all that. It's just, it's something else. It's an ultimate driving machine, what you'd expect from a BMW. So all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 BMW 540i with xDrive.